So somebody asked me the last day about the word scríste, the word in Southwest Donegal to take a break or a rest, and how does it fit in with other words. And I have the Old Dineen Dictionary here, so we'll just have a wee look at it. So this is the Old Dineen Dictionary here now, and as you can see the old writing, that's the old Gaelic script. So scríste there now, that's the words we have, scríste, and then it says scíste, so it's related to scíste without the R. So we'll have a look at scríste. So here we have scríste, and it says rest, Jan de scríste, take a rest, and then brackets there, Donegal. So as you can see there, so scríste must be said in other parts of Donegal. Scríste would be said in Glencomkill anyways. And then you have ski as well, which people probably be more familiar with nowadays in the educational system. Ski, lig de ski, ligam ski, take a rest. Also fatigue and weariness. So so it looks like ski, scríste and scíste are all kind of intertwined there. So just interesting. So what word have you for it? Let me know in the comments. Sna